So the setting one, it is very simple. Let me just delete this one. Okay, we don't need it. All right, and now I will duplicate. Yeah, let's try duplicate this one. So for the setting, let's try settings, and this one should be to the left, and this needed to be middle align, something like this, or maybe left align. And the settings, I think this is this text is a bit small, but let's keep it like this. And for this I will try to use back icon, which I think we already use it in some of our screens. So let me just find it and place it. I think it was in our first screen. Yep. So we already have it from here, so I will copy it. The reason I'm doing that is because we need to be follow the same theme, right? So if we have different big button over there and different here, so it doesn't make sense. Okay, I will take it to the left and make sure it is black and remove this one. All right, so now we have back icon with settings, and let's do the rest of the part. Okay, so we have app settings. App settings, it is not title, it should be maybe subtext like this. All right, and these are all in caps, so I'll make all in caps. Okay, so once we add the styling, there are some limitation that we cannot apply to the text. So let's get rid of this for now. We can even add this properties as well. So you can see over here we can make it all caps. So I just made all caps, and it should be 12 pixel, and it needed to be bold maybe, and let's try 1 2 plus 3 is fine. And the color, it should be gray. Wonderful. And now let's try this one by one. So over here we have dark mode and light mode, so I will just copy and paste here. It should be dark, I'm changing the caps, but it's not because we apply the property of all caps, so I will just, we don't need this anymore. Okay, I will make this 14 regular, and it should be, let's try black, and we need the icons for it. So let me just find the icon, dark mode. So yeah, it was very easy. I think this is the icon that we have used. So why I choose this one is because you can see where here we have the sharp edges, which we don't need it. We haven't applied the sharp edges, right? So you need to be perfect in terms of how you can do that. Okay, so now I select this one. Perfect. Now dark mode. Okay, shift A, and I think the spacing should be 12 pixel. It's fine. Now we need to create this toggle over here as well. So to do that, it is again very easy. Let me just type our, yeah, let's do it like this. Okay, is this needed to be gray? I think let's try with the custom color here. Select this one, should be brown completely, and we also need a circle here, so I will duplicate it and I will change the color to this one. All right, decrease the size here. I'm holding shift as well, and you can see where this is completely circle and this is now a bit old, so I will make sure this is the same. So I will make it 20 here and 20 here. So 1 pixel and 2 pixel on the top. All right, it should be 2 2, and on the top we also needed to make sure it is also 2. So 2 2 2.5 2.5 2 2 2. This is perfect. Now Shift A, and I will make this toggle off. Okay, now I will also show you the power of this one, and I will also need to draw this toggle on. So for the toggle on, I will take it to the right. Okay, and I will need to change the color to this one. Okay, the primary one color. So now let me show you the power of this. Okay, now if I select both of those and give it a component set, it automatically applies the properties. So for example, now this is toggle Y. I did change those. Okay, yeah, so this is toggle off. This needed to be toggle on. Okay, now if I select both of those and create a component set, you can see over here the properties is applied. Like for example, if I take this over here, you can see it's toggle on and off. Okay, so this is the beauty of this slash as well. Okay, we don't need to do it manually here. So now I will need to take it to the right like this, select this, give it auto layout, and I will give the spacing maybe 16 pixel. And what other thing that I can do here is giving it a stroke with a light gray, and the stroke should be bottom, from the bottom. Okay, so bottom. Wonderful. Now let's make it all the way to the left, all the way to the right, and this the fading should be, let's try 16. Yeah, that's how we can do it. So dark mode, perfect, and we have toggle on off. And now let me 1 2 3, perfect. This is sound effect, this is learning goals, so for this one we don't have these toggles, so this is just relaxed. Okay, I will remove this toggle, and for this one I will make this toggle on. All right, and now we have the notification in each and everything, and I want you guys to do that. Okay, and I really hope you will have learned a lot of things from here, and you know, you are very near to become a pro in the UI UX design industry. And you know what next? The next thing is we will try to cover how you can design an app, how to design a website, a landing page, a dashboard, SaaS product. So I will show you each and everything. So stay with me, and trust me, this course gonna change your life. And this is just in 7 days we create an entire complete app. You have understand each and everything, like you understand the font. You know, once you get started with the design, the first you need to understand is how we have to use the colors, what frame we used, what size of icon we use. So you have learned each and every technique here, and trust me, this course will keep updating, and this will definitely change your life. And yeah, you can apply for a job. All right, take care. Bye bye. See you soon.